Hey there, welcome to Arlo Labs. I'm Bridget, and today we're setting up your new Arlo Pro or Pro XL security camera 6th gen. Let's make this as smooth as possible. First things first, let's get your battery installed and charging. Your battery arrives partially charged, so we'll want to make sure it's charged to full power before mounting. Press the button located on the bottom of the camera and slide off the housing. Now, insert the battery with the logo facing up and towards you. You'll feel it lock securely into place with a click. You can leave the housing off for now. Now, see the USB-C charging port on the bottom? Go ahead and plug in your charger there. Charging may take some time, so feel free to pause the video and come back when it's ready. When the light on the front of the camera turns solid blue, you're good to go. To get the most out of your experience, now is the perfect time to download the Arlo Secure app. You can do this by scanning the QR code in the Quick Start Guide. If you already have an Arlo account, even better. That QR code will take you right to your new camera setup page in the app. Just double-check to make sure your app is up to date before you get started. All right, once you're fully charged, it's time to bring your new camera online. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Then, launch the Arlo Secure app. Select Devices, then tap the plus icon in the upper right. Select Cameras, Pro Series, and then select Pro Security Camera 6th Gen. To begin Bluetooth pairing, look for the red sync button and hold it for up to 3 seconds, until the LED is flashing blue. The Arlo app should detect your camera automatically. Now for the fun stuff. Grab your camera and head to the location where you'll be mounting it. Your new camera can be mounted inside or outside. Anywhere you've got Wi-Fi, you're golden. Now, just follow the prompts in the app and connect to your Wi-Fi network. Once you're connected, go ahead and name your camera. Slide the camera's housing back into place and let Arlo check for any firmware updates. This may take a few minutes, so feel free to pause this video while it updates. If you have multiple cameras you'd like to onboard, feel free to select Update in Background. Then start this process again for the next camera. Now that you're up to date, you're ready to install your camera. Before you start drilling holes, make sure you have a clear view and a strong Wi-Fi signal. The app can help you check signal strength, so be sure to use it. Once you've got the perfect spot, the Arlo app will walk you through the mounting process. First, install the mount on your wall using the included hardware. Next, attach your camera by rotating it clockwise onto the mount. You'll feel it tighten as you turn. Now, let's get that perfect angle. Find that adjustment knob on the side, loosen it up, and position your camera exactly where you want it. Once you're happy, tighten that knob back down. Pro tip, check the live view in your app to make sure you're seeing everything you need. And boom, you're done. Your Arlo is mounted, angled, and ready for action. Not bad for a quick DIY project. At Arlo Labs, we try to make setup bulletproof, but sometimes life has other plans. No worries. If you hit a snag, this is your troubleshooting toolkit. First, getting the right model from the start of the setup matters. Remember, you want to select Pro Series and then pick Pro Security Camera 6th Gen. Bluetooth being finicky. If your camera isn't connecting, first double-check your phone settings that Bluetooth is turned on, and then make sure that Arlo app has permission to use it. Sometimes phones get protective. It's usually an easy fix. If you're struggling to connect to Wi-Fi, triple-check you're on the right network with the right password. Pro tip, if your password has special characters, maybe type it somewhere else first and copy it over. If you don't know your Wi-Fi password, click the Locate My Password button for help copying your password from your phone settings. Still struggling with Wi-Fi? Your camera might be too far from the router. Your camera has great range, but walls and distance from the Wi-Fi router matter. Use the app's signal strength checker. It's there for a reason. One last setup tip on camera placement. The motion sensors are strongest in the lowest 2/3 of the frame. So position your camera to catch movement where it matters. You'll also want to make sure your camera's view isn't obscured by any glass or plastic. Even if it's clear, glass messes with motion detection. Now that your camera's mounted and ready to go, let's set up your free trial of Arlo Secure so you can get the full Arlo experience. This is a subscription-based service that enhances everything about your Arlo security system with AI-powered intelligence. It makes every part of your day-to-day home security experience seamless and easy. You can look back at past events with cloud recording and 60 days of video history, and get smarter notifications with AI recognition for known people, vehicles, and deliveries. And use that to fine-tune your alerts. And if there ever is an emergency, you get one-touch access to trigger emergency response when seconds count. It's the most advanced way to stay secure, and it's free to try. Just follow the easy setup process in the app. Once your camera is set up, here are a couple of quick tips for a happier ownership experience. First, if you're getting too many notifications and you have an Arlo Secure plan, you can easily adjust activity zones for your camera, so you only get alerts for the areas you want. Just select zones in your camera settings. Another good tip, if you need to mute alerts temporarily, maybe you're outside having a barbecue or washing the car, you can hold down on an incoming alert and select mute notifications right from your phone's lock screen. And finally, if you're running out of battery life faster than expected, go to Device Settings and then tap Power Management to choose from different options that can extend it. Another easy way to conserve battery life is to ensure that your camera is angled away from any areas that cause a lot of motion detection, like a busy street, so you can ensure you're keeping tabs on what matters most to you. And with that, you should be set. But if you're still stuck, don't hesitate to reach out. That's what we're here for. At Arlo, your privacy isn't just a feature, it's a promise. Our privacy pledge puts you in full control of your experience, personal data, information, and video history. From setup to protection to privacy, our goal is simple: to make things easy for you and take care of you right from the start. So, that's it. You're up and running. Thanks for watching. Now you're ready to protect your everything. Bye.